Good evening, students. Yesterday we have discussed about the characteristics of the management, in which we have learned that which type of characteristic management has, like goal oriented, pervasive, multidimensional, continuous, um, dynamic function, group activity, intangible force. Today we will discuss about the our next topic, which is objectives of management. To start this topic, we'll have to understand that each and every organization, whether the financial or the non-financial organization, all have some predetermined goals or objectives, which are which can be achieved only by the management, and management helps to achieve all those objectives, uh, which are essential for the survival and growth of an enterprise, like organizational objectives, social objectives, personal or individual objectives. And management is needed in every organization, whether the financial or the non financial, that all activities which are being carried out in an organization, by which desired results can be achieved in the most effective manner. So, as I told you, that management has uh, to achieve some uh, objectives, some predetermined goals, which are essential for the survival and the growth of an enterprise, like organizational objective. uh, the second name of the organizational objectives is economic objectives, and the second one is social objectives, and the third one is personal or individual objectives. So first we will discuss about the organizational or economic objectives. Economic objectives or organizational objectives are the primarily objectives which are achieved by the effective management, and under the category of economic objective, survival, profit and growth come. As you know that uh, any business which is successful can be considered successful only when all the employees, all the customers, government, suppliers, shareholders, and the owners of the company, if they all are satisfied while working with the organization, if they all are happy, then it shows, it presents that all the economic objectives or the organizational objectives are being achieved. If they all are not satisfied, they all are not happy, then we can get that the economic objectives of the company or the organization are not being achieved effectively. And in this economic objective topic, organizational organization must fulfill the economic objectives like survival, profit and growth, which I have already told you that it come under the category of the uh, eco- economic objective or organizational objective. So first we will discuss about the survival. As you know that those organization, those companies, those institution which are run for a long time, they survive uh, in the market very well. Which organizations, which uh, institutions or the companies do not run for a long time, they cannot survive for a long time in the market, as you know. Because, and why the survival is important, and how a company, how an organization can be survived in the market. A organization can be survived only on one condition: if the revenues which are being earned by the company or the organization, that is meeting with the that is covering all the basic cost which are being used to run the company or the organization. And that can be that that objective can be achieved only when the uh, workforce or the material, means the resources, they all are effectively used. They, if they are not being effectively used, then the survival objective can't be achieved for an organization. The second one is profit. Profit is the reward of the risk, as you know. And survival is not the only thing by which a company can be satisfied, and or a businessman can be satisfied. For the businessman, for the shareholders, for an organization, it is must to get the profit. A businessman can't be satisfied, shareholders can't be satisfied, a organization an organization can't be satisfied until it gets profit, until he gets profit. So to get the profit, management ensures that all the plans, all the strategies should be like that by which company or the organization or business can achieve the profit. And this objective can be achieved only when all the resources, all the materials which are being used, uh, either the workforce, either the human or material resources, effectively and efficiently.